What is up, guys? How you doing? I hope you guys enjoyed the video from yesterday when we went out to AutoCon. Got to meet a few other YouTubers. It was pretty cool. But today, back at the shop, and I got basically 90% of the parts for the Lexus in. So for the motor, at least. So today, I'm gonna be trying to refresh the motor, get it all together and whatnot. But if you guys recall, we've had a issue where the crank pulley does not want to come off. We've tried a 1-inch impact for tractor trailers. Given my airlines aren't that big, so it probably wasn't at its full potential. That didn't work. We heated it till the thing was about to melt, and that didn't do the trick. Now we're giving it the good old college try and trying to use another breaker bar again. Drew and I have been going at it for a little while now, trying to break it with all this leverage, and what's happening?
Sorry, I'm on my lunch break. No success.
No success. Tucker, you want to try? No. I want to show you guys the struggle of this. Right, Tucker? It sucks. Okay. Alright, guys. So I didn't even film this because I was discouraged and I thought something was going to break. But I just went full motion auto on this and we got the crank pulley off. Pull the bolt. Look at this. Literally what we just had to do.
It worked though.
Yeah,
so
it was still tight though with this much leverage.
Yeah, no, we had 3 guys holding the engine and Jimmy holding the bar, and it just made a nasty sound, and she's loose.
Should have filmed it, but I didn't think it was gonna work. So, well,
no Loctite, no nothing, just tight as.
Okay, so everything you see here, we're putting in the car. We're doing cam seals, water pump, thermostat, water pump gaskets, timing belt tensioner and pulley, and okay, perfect. Basically, we just gotta take out timing belt, the tensioners, all that stuff, take out the valve covers, take the cam gears off, and go from there. So that sounds fast. That's loud. Not bad. There you go. One solid heat. Gross ass timing cover. We're just gonna. That is a 12. Damn it. All right, we got the old stank ass tensioner right here. Flip this thing off. What's annoying about this is this water pump isn't driven off of the timing belt, but it's behind it. So that's such a pain in the ass.
Same deal with my my V12 that I had. All right, we need
Yeah, so we gotta take literally this whole piece off because as you can see, it's like a whole entire housing setup. I don't know. It's kind of cool. It's kind of weird. Let me what a time lapse is.
I don't know.
We'll time lapse it right here.
Jimmy, kick this.
Where? Jimmy the foot? Come on. Didn't work.
It's way too hard.
What was it? A 12?
14.
Not anymore.
Can you fucking more gently push on this with your foot?
I should ask. Oh, strips.
Don't go running around in these circles. You'll trip and fall and it hurts yourself. And I'm thinking I might assert myself. The worth of the passion, the work that I'm patching through. Ain't nobody really asking you. And I'm rolling through dirt.
Something just happened. All I have to say is B Hall just made a hole in one. He was trying to knock the keyway out. And the keyway ended up, where do you think it ended up, guys? Take a quick guess. B Hall, you want to tell them where the keyway ended up?
Right there.
Hole in one. Right in the water pump hole.
It's probably sitting like right there.
Holy fuck. So we're going to try and find a mini magnet, and if that doesn't work, we're going to flip the engine and hope it falls out. Sound good?
In the meantime, try not to puke.
So bad.
I feel so relieved right now. I don't even know what to say.
Shout out to magnets. It wasn't that deep. It was like down to there, so there must be.
In my heart, it was all the way at the bottom. God
What
damn.
am I gonna do? I'm not gonna tell him I broke it, because he'll forget that I borrowed it, and I'll just have a new one for him tomorrow, because I broke it. Sorry, Al. And hopefully it's this easy. Oof! That came off like butter. I don't know if that's a good thing or what, but
yeah.
I'm really happy that happened.
It's a good thing.
That is a good thing. So this seal right here, as you can see, is the culprit to a lot of oil leak. So we're gonna We're gonna yank this thing out and just press the new one in. Can you see it with this lighting? There we go. Right here. There she goes. She popped right off. Stank ass. New ass.
Freshy.
Clean her up real nice like. Aha, try leaking now, you bitch. So we're gonna put the water pump on.
Because we wanted to.
Yes, because we want to. First, because it actually is behind everything, so we can just get it out of the way.
The host.
Okay, where do we put it?
Like shit.
She went up to 11 next day.
I know, but just be like, oh shit. Like,
On top of all the wheat that she ate by accident.
Talking about eating
They
wheat.
didn't make it any better. You already got 2 hits on that.
Did you?
Yeah.
Water pump's in place. Now it has like this weird like connecting water neck to the head. I don't know if this is a Toyota thing or what. So there's like this little mid tube that we're gonna, with O-rings. I'm just gonna not do that. Brian with the 2 hands. There you go. Press it in, and then we're gonna get this neck right here. We're gonna. Oh, we need the O-ring. We need the O-ring. Right here. After we cleaned everything, guys. Make sure that seals. Alright, once it's fully seated, we're good. And there you go. Beautiful. There's a tube that actually comes off the water pump that feeds coolant into the firewall for the heater core. So this just has a nice paper gasket. Slips right on. Oh, mother. Try not to get coolant all over yourself like I just did. Yeah, just like that. Cleaned it all up, both surfaces. I mean, this brand's new, so we didn't have to, so this thing's just gonna bolt on, I think. Yeah, wait, shit, which way was it? This way?
Yeah, I think so.
Go check the other engine. There it is, guys. Water system is good. So now we're gonna move on to cam seals. So now we have to pull, guess what? The cam gears.
Bam! Let's do it.
Okay, so this one, the VVTi gear, it's actually a 14 millimeter Allen wrench, and it's huge. Not a lot of people have it, but what you can do is you could take a 14 millimeter head bolt, lock 2 bolts on it, and the head will actually fit in there. So there you go, trick. Beautiful. Easy enough. Really starting to feel like Trevor. And here we have the culprit of leaks. These bad Larrys. Oh my god. I would never anticipate these to be this tight.
Just a little on there.
Yeah, lube her up real nice, Beal. Slip her on there.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Don't fuck up.
I'm gonna fuck it up.
Guys, so the intake side doesn't require any RTV, just crank it down. The VVTi side, it actually does require RTV, as we think. So, of course, oil resistant RTV.
There was some on there.
There was. So hopefully that was factory. Beautiful. Got them back at top dead center, and now I gotta put the new pull in. It goes, it was a washer. Sweet. And torque to spec. All right, here it is, the big moment. There we go. Timing mark lined up, lined up, and let's put the tensioner in now.
We need a couple bolts. Tight.
Do the honors, bro. Look at that. We're timed.
Let's just double check our marks. That one's looking pretty bitch titties. And yeah, we're looking all good.
So let's clean this up a little bit, get that bottom timing cover on, and then start putting her together. My old idler pulley, the pulley's not amazing, but we could replace this after. The tensioner is perfectly fine, it's just dirty. So this actually bolts underneath the timing cover, which is like kind of annoying, but I don't think the tensioners go bad that often. There we go. Look at that, dude. It's an engine again.
All done.
Kinda. So front cover's all on. Timing's still in check. We're good. So now we should throw on the new valve cover gaskets. I always RTV the little corners on the arches. It's on a half moon, but prone to leaks right there. So we got RTV, stank ass water pump pulley. But these are easy. These are literally just rubber gaskets. You just click them in, and call it a day. This would be a really good opportunity to wrinkle black your valve covers, but we're not gonna do it. Sorry. Hook. There we go.
Bam.
I kind of do wish I wrinkled black. If I wrinkle black these, this thing would look bitchin'.
I agree.
Too bad.
Sorry, guys.
Sorry, guys. I'm playing myself right now. We got a lot done, but we still got a lot more to do. I still have to drop the oil pan and either bang the dent out or replace it with the other pan, reseal it. I also have to put the whole wire harness on, do the plugs, and get the intake on. Fun fact, Jay-Z's hold a shit ton of oil. Look at this. This thing was empty.
What's the capacity? What's the capacity, Don?
1, 2. Brian, should I do the upper pan?
No.
I don't see why it would leak. Just there was oil on literally everything, guys. So I'm just assuming every single gasket leaks.
I say no.
Hey, the pickup was so close to being hit. Look at it. Look and see where the dent is.
Well, is there any marks? There's no marks on the inside of the pan.
Yeah, we're good.
Smack that thing back out.
What is that? Is that metal?
I don't know.
What is that? What the hell? So B-Hall spontaneously starts busting his pan back into place, and I would consider that brand new. We're good. This thing is nice,
brand new.
this thing's nice and flat. If you guys saw before, it was dented up. Someone must have jacked up on it or like bottomed out or something like that. So
Little hammer.
a little hammer, a little
block
dolly.
of wood. Good as new.
Good as new. Now it's time to over RTV the living crap out of this thing. I do not want this to leak with our good old fashioned GM sealant. And B-Hall, you want to explain to them why I'm not flipping the engine? So they don't, because they always yell at me when I do this.
It's okay. We just don't want oil to go everywhere, even though there's already a little bit of a mess there. And once you flip it, and all the oil goes to the top end, on the first startup, it's always smoky as shit.
This bitch ain't leaking. What do you think?
She's good.
Hope so. And there you go. Pan's all fixed up, looks brand new. Got the new RTV on it, and we're all set. So motor still needs a decent amount. We still need plugs before I can get the intake back on. I still need to pull the wire harness off the other engine and put it on this engine, which is going to be a pain in the ass in itself. It was sucked to take the other one off, so I'm not excited for it. But I'm hoping tomorrow we'll have it all married up to the trans, and we could hopefully drop it into the IS. I don't see why not. I wasted a lot of my day today fiddling my thumbs waiting to get this crank pulley off, but tomorrow we'll get a nice head start and we'll get a lot of stuff done. I'm excited. Really wish I tried the 12-foot freaking pole to begin with and didn't waste my whole freaking day, but it worked out. So we're not exaggerating when it says you need a freaking 12-foot pole.
12-foot pole was the trick.
Yeah, that was horrible. So I know a lot of you guys warned me from the beginning that I might have to do that, and I tried a 5-foot pole and that didn't do it. So jump straight to 12 feet. So with that, I hope you guys liked today's video on us refreshing the little 2JZ NA, but that's about it. So you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. And Don,
Have a good night.
psych, hit it.